How much should you actually spend on performance chips for your car? Because some people are happy buying the cheap ones, but others swear by the pricier options. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Tiran 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Let's kick things off with the Tiran 2-in-1 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. Priced at around $29.99, this little gadget caught my eye because it promises to make your car's tech experience wireless. If you want effortless phone integration while driving, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This adapter allows you to upgrade your existing wired CarPlay or Android Auto system to a wireless one. That means no more tangled cables or fumbling around to plug in your phone. It supports over 1,000 vehicles, so there's a good chance it'll work with yours. Plus, it connects almost instantly, giving you access to maps, music, and calls in a flash. The built-in auto-pairing feature reconnects in under 3 seconds, which is pretty impressive. Now, some people complained about occasional connectivity issues, especially if the car is turned off and back on. Here's the thing though, as long as you're consistent with the initial pairing, it generally performs well. For those who just want to plug it in and forget about it, that might be a minor hassle. This is perfect for you if you're someone who loves using both iPhone and Android devices and wants a cleaner, cable-free setup. Skip this one if your vehicle doesn't support wired CarPlay or Android Auto though. Considering the price, it offers solid value for the convenience it brings. Now, if connectivity was a concern for you, the next option might actually be even better for stability. Product number 2, UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner. Next up is the UMEIJA OBD2 Scanner, priced at around $21.99. This caught my attention because it's designed for both novices and seasoned car enthusiasts. If you're looking to keep an eye on your vehicle's performance and address issues early, this tool is definitely worth a serious look. It supports various protocols and can read live data, making it easier to understand what's going on under the hood. You can even clear the check engine light yourself, saving trips to the mechanic. With over 2,100 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, many users appreciate its ease of use and effectiveness. But some users found the Bluetooth connectivity a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing, while it can be a hassle if you're in a rush, once you get a good connection, it works like a charm. So if you're patient and tech-savvy, it shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you want to save money on diagnostic visits and enjoy being hands-on with your car. Skip this one if you prefer a simple, no-tech approach to car maintenance. For the price, it's a great investment in your vehicle's health. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually surprise you with its versatility. Product number 3, X.Or Car Paint Touch-Up Pen. The third product is the X.Or Car Paint Touch-Up Pen, and it's priced at around $11.99. This caught my attention because many car owners face the dreaded scratches on their vehicles. If you want to keep your car looking sharp and save on costly repairs, this pen is worth considering. What's great about this touch-up pen is that it blends seamlessly with your car's original paint. It's designed to quickly repair scratches and paint damage, and it dries in just 10 minutes. With a 4.3-star rating and thousands of positive reviews, users appreciate how easy it is to use and how well it matches their vehicle's color. Plus, it's waterproof and UV-resistant, meaning it holds up against the elements. However, some users reported issues with the color match not being perfect for all shades. Here's the thing, while it may not be a 100% match for every vehicle, it covers scratches well enough to make them less noticeable. If you're looking for perfection, you might want to consult a professional. This is perfect for you if you want a quick, affordable solution for minor scratches. Skip this one if you're dealing with larger areas needing repair or if color matching is a top priority. It's a handy tool to have and a great value for the price. Next up, if you're more into performance upgrades rather than cosmetic fixes, the next product might catch your interest. Product number 4, ZOUHOE Wireless CarPlay Adapter. Next, we have the ZOUHOE Wireless CarPlay Adapter, priced at about $17.99. This adapter is another fantastic option to ditch those annoying wires and enjoy wireless access to your phone's features. If you love convenience while driving, this one's definitely worth a look. This adapter supports both iOS and Android, making it versatile for different phone users. It boasts a plug-and-play setup that reconnects automatically, so you can jump in your car and hit the road without hassle. With a compact design, it fits snugly into your USB port without clutter. The 4.1-star rating and positive reviews indicate users enjoy the strong connectivity and performance during long drives. However, some users noted that the initial setup can be tricky for some vehicles. Here's the thing, while it may take a bit more effort to get started, once you're connected, the performance is typically very smooth. For many, the initial hassle is worth the convenience of going wireless. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable wireless experience without the mess of cords. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with tech setups or prefer a more traditional approach. It's a solid investment for modern drivers. Now, if you're looking for something that really packs a punch in performance, the final product on my list might just be the answer. Product number 5, performance chip from a top brand. Last but not least, we have an exceptional performance chip from a top brand, which retails for around $99.99. This chip stands out because it's designed to provide significant power and torque improvements for your vehicle. If you want to maximize your car's performance, this product is worth considering. What makes this performance chip attractive is its ability to optimize engine parameters, which can lead to better fuel efficiency and quicker acceleration. With a user-friendly installation process, it can make a noticeable difference in how your car feels on the road. Many users report an increase in horsepower and a more responsive driving experience, which is what every car enthusiast dreams of. Now, some users mentioned it can sometimes lead to engine light issues. Here's the thing, while this can be a concern, many found that the benefits far outweigh the occasional warning light, especially if you're looking to unlock your vehicle's full potential. This is perfect for you if you're passionate about performance upgrades and want to take your driving experience to the next level. Skip this one if you're unsure about modifying your car or prefer a stock experience. It's a worthwhile investment for enthusiasts who want more from their vehicles. So there you have it, 5 standout options for enhancing your car's performance, from wireless adapters to powerful performance chips. Each brings something unique to the table, whether it's convenience, diagnostics, cosmetic fixes, or pure performance. Consider what matters most to you and make your choice.